Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix WhatsApp is not showing contact names on your Android device. So in this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So when you are facing this type of problem guys, first you need to refresh the contact list on your WhatsApp. To refresh this guys, here you can get the messaging icon on your WhatsApp home screen. Just tap on it like this, and in the top right side corner you can get three dots option. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option to refresh. Just tap on refresh. It will start the refreshing process. As you can see guys, after refreshing, hopefully this time it will show your contact name on your WhatsApp. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now you can follow next method. Open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to apps and notifications. From here you need to open the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, go to permissions, and here just you need to check if the contact permission was enabled or not. If the contact permission was disabled like this, just you need to enable the contact permission. From here, after doing this guys, open the WhatsApp and check your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, once again go to apps and notification and open the WhatsApp. Now here you need to force stop the WhatsApp app one time. After force stopping, open WhatsApp once again. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Okay. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, you can try next method. Open Google Play Store, and here you need to update the WhatsApp. Just search the WhatsApp in the Google Play Store, and if the app update was available, just you need to update the WhatsApp app from the Play Store. After updating, this time it will fix your problem 100%. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.